Hello pool players, I want to share with you a spin shot exercise that I assure you will turbocharge your position play game. I'll be showing you 8 shots from both sides of the table along with some slow motion video showing spin on the cue ball. Shot number 1 is a 3-railer with low outside draw. I will be demonstrating all 8 shots from both sides of the table. Additionally, I will include the layout of this exercise within the pinned comment and within the description of this video. Here is shot 2, and it is shot from the same location as shot 1, however, we use inside follow rather than low outside draw. And here is a look at the spin rate on the cue ball. Notice that it has a subtle bit of inside spin that propels it towards the direction of our position. And here's a look at the same shot from the other side of the table. Shot 3 is one of my favorites, and it's an inside follow shot where the object ball is frozen to the cushion. I'll be showing another version of this shot later in the video. And here is a great look at the spin rate of the cue ball. We can really see how the counterclockwise running spin really propels the cue ball. And once again, here's the same shot from the other side of the table. Shot 4 I find to be the most difficult in that we have to put good action through the cue ball to draw the cue ball back all the way to position on the 9. What helps me the most on this shot is to maintain a loose grip and a flexible wrist. And once again, we must shoot from both sides of the table. Shot 5 is similar to shot 3, however, the object ball is approximately 1 1/4 inch off the cushion. Since the object ball is not frozen to the cushion like in shot 3, this shot becomes much more difficult. And once again, we must shoot from both sides of the table. Shots 6, 7, and 8 are pocket hanger shots. Many beginner players have trouble with these. By utilizing finesse spin and striking the object ball in the correct location, we can more easily obtain great position. With shot 7, we've moved the cue ball from the side rail to the spot. This angle change requires us to aim differently on the pocket hanger. With shot 8, this is going to be quite different in that we're adding inside spin rather than the outside spin. These 8 shots demonstrated in this exercise require good action through the cue ball as well as aim at the object ball. By mastering these shots, this has really turbocharged my position play game. It is my hope that you too can benefit from this exercise. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, please share it with others. And if you want to watch another informative video, watch this one right here. And like I always say, keep on practicing.